Now, it has been confirmed by prosecution that attorneys representing Noel Maitland will no longer be seeking bail on his behalf. Some people are saying lie, them give up on him, and Noel Maitland are going to spend the rest of his life in prison based on the charges brought against him, saying that there's no way his attorneys can win this case. Now, some people also say, why him not confess and tell the court, tell law enforcement, tell the family where Donna Lee Donaldson's body is. Some people still say maybe he might wait to see if a plea deal is presented to him and him can use that as some form of a bargaining tool. Some people say the reason why alleged members of law enforcement or whoever helped or tried to help Maitland cover up the crime, the reason why they not tell law enforcement to go on either is because they are also saving that in case them get into trouble with law enforcement and can also use that as some form of a bargaining tool. Now, prosecution told the court that they were informed by Maitland's defense team in writing that they no longer wished to pursue bail. Now, the policeman who also doubles as a music producer has been in custody since July 27, 2022. And all know Maitland confess. At one point in time, Maitland said he never knew about any crime being committed until evidence was presented that not only was Maitland aware of a crime taking place, that before them start accusing him of being a participant, they must say him help to clean up. How them know? Video footage, CCTV cameras, and even witness testimony put him at places cleaning up or attempting to clean up furniture items with blood. Now, because that did happen before and then it was told to law enforcement, forensics never confirmed it. But there's no way him could have did then the night after CCTV footage was presented from his neighbor. Him say it was alleged that him visit the neighbor and tell the neighbor say him that want the footage deleted because he was smoking a spliff. And because of his job, that being a former member of law enforcement, so much time I have to take to say that, a former member of law enforcement, him feel like it will do something to him job promotion where him feel like him up for very soon. Trying to be savvy, trying to get footage deleted. Him did say he never know of any footage existing. With him I said that until it was presented. Some people say because him actually think the neighbor did delete the video. Now, it is said that this is the official report now. Donna Lee Donaldson was now last reported seen alive at his apartment complex. That is no longer for speculation. People now wonder about it. That is now the facts of the case being presented against him. Not only that, forensic analysts has established that blood stains were found inside the apartment and that could have been traced. And it was indeed a match for Donna Lee Donaldson. So while them couldn't match any forensics from which part they carry the alleged bloody couch, go wash it out, there was still blood spatter in the house. Which where some people might think them do a good job at cleaning up somewhere. Forensics, if you watch any show, any CSI, any one of them forensic show, they will tell you say, only professionals can do that. And blood spatter was found. And after it was found, it was matched to Donna Lee Donaldson. You think so this will be enough for Noel Maitland confess and tell the people where our body there. Instead, up to now, Maitland continues to maintain some form of innocence. I have to tell himself say I'm maintaining innocence. And based on law, individuals are presumed innocent until proven otherwise. But the fact say Maitland's defense team, very big and established, renowned lawyer firm, could not get him bail and also gave up. When prosecution turned to court, thinking say them not get another chance for proof to the court why bail shouldn't be granted. Instead, a letter was sent to the prosecution saying that they no longer wish to pursue bail. Some people say it looked like the lawyers themselves If you're watching the show, normally them tell liars, them say, yo, liar normally tell clients if they be truthful are the only way them can actually help. Because of client liar client privilege, a liar can't get in trouble for anything when him know same client do. It's actually his job to represent him and still try to get him. You know what I mean? His name cleared. But we don't know if a based on where Maitland tell his attorneys, based on how the evidence the prosecution has presented in open court, if attorneys decide to say, you know what, this is a lost cause. This don't make no sense. Clearly, this don't make no sense. And them no longer wish to pursue bail fee. Some people are saying another reason why we can't find, our law enforcement can't find Donna Donna somebody is because of something we are talking about on media. We have discussed partially where people being accused of it. We don't see no evidence being brought. We don't see any funeral home or funeral home directors being taken to jail for it. We don't see any evidence. But as something people always talk about, funeral homes playing a part in disposing bodies. We want to find a proof of it. But some people have said it would explain cases where it is a clear sign of a murder, but a body cannot be found or found rather. But in a situation like Donna Dawson, where she was last seen at the apartment, blood spatter was found in the apartment, to how long Noel Maitland, not only how long Donna Dawson has been missing, but to how long now Noel Maitland has been behind the bars, clearly she's deceased. Based upon all the evidence presented all over. To what them say about the coach, just the amount of loss of blood alone. People have, even her mother believes she's now deceased. But still, Maitland refused to cooperate. Most people are saying, if I never want a funeral home him use to dispose of the body, him have the body, or him know the body there, and you know if I, as we want the judges did say when them that present the case and them that try to seek bail and them say must a member of law enforcement and this and that, the judge say that's not means for gain a bail. That shows that you have used what the state has taught you and your experience and the force to try to get away with murder. Maybe within that sense, him know say at somewhere along the line during the trial, maybe a plea deal will be presented to him again. Just like we've seen in the movies. And him hope to then tell law enforcement where the body is and try to get him sentence reduced. Because if Jamaica have capital punishment or still use capital punishment, that crime is a crime people say the sentence is fitting of that. The fact say yo, him put the family through that ordeal. One of the charges being brought against Noel Maitland is also preventing lawful burial. The court believes him know where the body is and refuse to tell law enforcement so that our body can be properly buried. This is a charge him also face. This is how much law enforcement and the prosecution believes Maitland is guilty. But I'll know. No cooperation. Still refuse to tell the family where the body is. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and then brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, if you're new to the channel, just pass through. When you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, tell a friend, tell them sister and brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. And until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for you to live, love, and prosper, and for you to stay tuned. As I said, subscribe, Like, comment, share.